Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to move a Kajabi site to Clickfunnels. This is useful if you want to rebuild your pages and funnels using Clickfunnels tools and features. Let's get started. Let's say you already have a Kajabi site. We cannot show you inside Kajabi since we do not have an account, but we will use this as an example. So this is your Kajabi website. To move it to Clickfunnels, the first thing we need to do is download all the images from your Kajabi site. Gather all the details you need, then save that information to your computer. Start with the text, then the images, and then the contacts from Kajabi. For the products, export those to your computer as well. Once we have everything exported, the next thing we need to do is open your Clickfunnels account and go to the Funnels section in the upper left part of the dashboard. From there, click Create Funnel and start from scratch. Create the funnel. In the funnel dashboard, we will see an empty funnel. Now we need to go to the editor. Once we are in the editor, let's say this is your home page. We will need to open the home page in Kajabi and copy everything manually into Clickfunnels. Copy all the images and elements from Kajabi so we have a complete copy. Right now, there is no option in Clickfunnels to import an entire site automatically, so everything needs to be copied over manually. And that is how we move a Kajabi site to Clickfunnels. With this approach, we can successfully recreate the site and keep growing the business using Clickfunnels.